Do you need to display all your posts from a particular category on a single page? Then the poll category shortcode is what you need. To find the shortcode, go to the General Settings page, Shortcodes tab, and scroll down a little bit. Here is the shortcode. All you need to do to display the poll category shortcode on the front end is to copy the shortcode and paste it to your desired post or a page. So let's understand what the shortcode includes and what parts we need to customize and configure. In the first part, for the Your Poll category ID, you need to insert the poll category ID you prefer. In order to find the poll category ID, you need to go to the Categories page. Then you can choose whether to display all polls from the category or random ones. If we set all here, all polls from the given category will be displayed. If we show the method random, we need to add a value to count option 2 so that it will randomly display that given amount of polls from the given category. The shortcode also allows you to decide the design of the displayed polls. You can choose either list or grid. With the last step, you need to choose the method of sorting. As you can see, date ascending shows the earliest created polls. Date descending shows the latest created polls. Popular ascending will show the most voted polls at first, and popular descending will show the most voted polls in the end. Please note that expired and unpublished posts will not be included in the list. As you can see, I have already added the shortcode in our post. At first, we need to configure the Your Poll category ID. For that, we go to the Poll Categories page, and here is the ID of the category. We copy the ID and go back to our post. Here we need to insert the poll category ID in a quotation marks. We decided to display all polls from the given category, so we can ignore this part. We can save the changes with the following configuration and see the poll category shortcode on the front end. Here is our front end where we can see the polls from the given category.